So we have this string here, Python programming. Now let's say we want to put a double quote in the middle of this string. There is a problem here. Python interpreter sees this second string as the end of the string. So the rest of the code is meaningless and invalid. How do we solve this problem? Well, there are two ways. One way is to use single quotes for our string, and then we can use a double quote in the middle of the string. But what if for whatever reason, perhaps for being consistent in our code, we decided to use double quotes? How can we add another double quote in the middle of this string? Well, we can prefix this with a backslash. Backslash in Python strings is a special character. We have a jargon for that called escape character. We use it to escape the character after. Let me show you what I mean. So let's print this course and run this program. What's going on here? We don't have the backslash because we use that to escape this double quote and basically display it here. So backslash is an escape character and backslash double quote is an escape sequence. In Python strings, we have a few other escape sequences that you should be aware of. Let me show you. So in Python, we use a hash sign to indicate a comment. A comment is like additional note that we add to our program. It's not executed by Python interpreter, okay? So here are the escape sequences. You have seen backslash double quote. We also have backslash single quote. So we can use that to add a single quote here. Let's run the program. Here it is, beautiful. We also have double backslash. So if you want to include a backslash in your strings, you should prefix it with another backslash. Let me show you. So when we run this, we get Python 1 programming. And finally, we have backslash n, which is short for new line. So now if I add a backslash n here, see what we get. We get a new line after Python, so programming will end up on the second line. So these are the escape sequences in Python.